right, the grand reveal. This is the EDC pouch that I just made. It's got a nice mesh pocket up front. On the back we've got MOLLE attachments and some other webbing loops here. So if you wanted to, you could put a handle here, put a handle anywhere. You can use it to tie around your water bottle. So lots of versatility there. Opening it up, inside we have a lot going on here. We've got a deep pocket here. We've got, I don't even know, this is stretchy webbing, elastic. You can stick tools in there. Not exactly sure if I'll actually use this or just cut it out, but it's there for now. We've got more stretchy webbing here. We've got stretchy webbing in a different direction here for similar things. And then we've got a zipper pocket, and that's pretty much just nothing else in there. So anyways, there it is.